My biggest worry for the environment is all the animals are eating plastic and dying.
My biggest worry for the environment is that not enough people in the world are helping with pollution.
My biggest worry for the environment is animals dying and suffering because of humans not being kind to their planet.
My biggest worry for the environment is selective empathy.
My biggest worry for the environment and future is total extinction.
Plastics are a huge problem in our modern day environment. Microplastics are everywhere, in the sea and even in the air that we breathe. Single-use plastics such as bags, plastic straws and paper and plastic plates that we don't give much thought to are even more harmful and the biggest threat. They litter our beaches and woods and harm many animals on their passes. The worst is they will never biodegrade and will be there forever.
The average person can use 100 kilograms of plastic each year, but just think of where that goes. While we can recycle some plastics, there are very many different kinds, including food packaging, that is not currently recyclable. Around about 1 trillion single-use plastic bags are used every single year across the entire world. Plastic and pollution have negative effects on animals. One marine mammal or seabird dies every 30 seconds due to plastic pollution.
Ingestion of plastic or entanglement results in more than 100 million animal deaths a year. Toxins and plastics can mess up bodily processes in animals and humans. Ingested toxins can also be passed to the animal's children.
Animals eat plastic that can build up in their bodies. This can eventually pass to humans.
It's not just about animals in the sea. More than 700 different animal species are killed by plastic each year. We need to think about the impact pollution has on animals, like bees that are becoming endangered due to a loss of habitat.
Pollution is bad. You probably already know that. It's common sense. Problem is, do you even try to stop it, or do you leave it to others, standing by and allowing Earth to be destroyed? Just by driving in a car or sitting in a plane, you are having a negative effect on the very Earth we inhabit. Why not try to walk or even cycle instead? That way, you're benefiting yourself health-wise too. A way to reduce pollution is to ensure you recycle or reuse and use a compost bin. Grow your own veggies or fruits. Replace household cleaning products by making your own. Make use of refill stations to avoid buying more plastic. The more we do, the less we'll need to produce.
Every 30 seconds a sea animal dies due to our plastic that we just chuck away. You say, oh, someone will pick that up. People won't just pick it up. You have to have the responsibility to pick it up and to put it in recycling or bin. Next time when you're out on the beach, pathway, city or road, can you make sure to pick up any rubbish, any plastic, and please put it in the recycling or bin?
We all know the 3 R's, reduce, reuse, recycle, but it's not enough. We need 4. Reduce, reuse, recycle, and replace with sustainable items. I know this sounds so depressing. That's because it is. But we still have a little time to act. Make your difference. Act now, before it's too late.